In the grand scheme of Earth's geological processes, volcanoes play a pivotal role. They're formed when magma from within the Earth's mantle finds a way to the surface, often at the boundaries of the tectonic plates that make up our planet's crust. At the heart of a volcano, you'll find a magma chamber, a conduit or pipe that allows magma to reach the surface, and a vent from which volcanic materials are ejected. Some are explosive, with highly viscous magma trapping gases, leading to a dramatic release of pressure. They can present numerous hazards including lava flows, pyroclastic